So you want to test out a new trading strategy, or maybe start looking at trading futures and you want to do it without risking your own money. Well, in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how you can paper trade on the TradingView platform, even if you use their free plan. Now, the first thing you're going to need is you're going to need a TradingView subscription. However, as you guys can see, if you scroll down, they have 4 different plans. However, you got to scroll down a little bit further and you can actually see they also have a basic plan, also known as a free plan. Now, in that plan, you can see right here, simulated paper trading is included in each of the plans, including the basic, aka the free plan. So if you want to become a better trader, this is going to be a very good resource for you to use to get started on improving your trading. Now, to get started, once you have the platform set up, you'll see right here in the top right-hand corner of the screen where it says trade. Select trade, and now it's going to bring up a list of brokers. And what we want to go ahead and look for is right here at the top left-hand corner of your screen where it says paper trading. If we go ahead and we select that, go ahead and click connect. You can see now right up here, we have a buy and sell button. Now, if I were to say, okay, I think the market's going to go down, I simply hit sell. Now my order is already out there. However, if I want to place a stop loss and take profit, since I shorted the market, stop loss I'll put up there, I'll grab the TP or take profit and I can drag it down. Now, if one of those orders are hit, it'll go ahead and cancel out the other order. If I simply want to close out the trade, I can click right here and hit close. And this is going to be a very good tool because regardless of what indicators you may be using, you can use this tool to practice in real time. So for instance, when the market was coming down today, you saw the MACD indicator was still crossed up. Once you see some type of bullish price action, like maybe even over here with the bullish engulfing candle, you can work on going long, managing where to place your stop loss, and trailing your stop on the way up, also being able to identify targets. As we trade and while we're in paper trading, guess what? Any money made or lost is not real money. We can simply go ahead and reset the account at any time. Now, if we click on this little tab right here at the bottom where it says open up panel, we can see right here under positions, we can go to orders. You can see the orders that were just placed. The one was canceled. We can go to order history. We can go to balances. We can go to trade journals. Now, if I were to go ahead and place a trade again, let's say I go ahead and hit buy. I buy the market. We can then look under positions and we can see the position right here. Currently, I'm down 1 tick or down $12.50. If I want to go ahead and move my take profit, I can go ahead and move the target up like that. Move my stop loss down because we always want to manage risk. And now it's a matter of which one will price hit first. Will it be the take profit or is it going to be the stop loss? Now, I don't want to be in this trade. The market's going to quit moving here in just about 2 minutes. And I don't want to be in a trade. And now you can see we have no more open positions. And if you're new to trading, this is a very good resource you can use to work on entering, exiting, and placing your stop loss and placing your targets and being able to identify correctly on the chart where to do so. And with this feature, we can get maximum reps in without losing any of our hard-earned money. Now, let's take a look at some other settings real quick. And right here where it says paper trading, click on the little drop-down menu. From there, you'll see trading settings. Now, right here, those same buy and sell buttons we've seen at the top of the screen, if you do not want them there, you can simply uncheck that box. They will go away. If you want one-click trading, which I do suggest, you want to go ahead and have that clicked. And something that you may or may not want to look at is when you're in a position, do you want to show it how much money you're up, meaning in dollars, or do you want this to show in ticks or percentage that you're up on the trade? There's also other areas you can customize this. Now, you may be asking, Mike, if I deselect this, we no longer have the buttons up there. If I want to go ahead and place a trade, how do we do so? Well, right up here at that top right-hand corner of your screen where it says trade, click on trade, and now you can see it brings up a window for us. From here, you have an order execution window where you can go ahead and say, do you want a limit price or do you want market? Now, from this window where it says exits, if you select that, you can predetermine how much you want a stop loss or take profit in. So instead of having to drag your stop loss and take profit order, like I showed you guys a few moments ago, with this feature, it would automatically be set. Now, if I like where everything's at, I'll leave this at 25.75. You can see how it's already staging it on the chart for us. Now, if we wanted to be in a sell side trade, you click on the sell tab right here. For a buy, you'd click right over here under buy, and we can see how that order is shaping up. Now, let's say I want more than just 0.25. Let's say I want to make this a little bit larger. We can just change this number right here. Let's say instead of 3, we want to have a 20 tick stop loss. And For the take profit, you can see it's way up here because it's set, and it's kind of, hard for you guys to see because it's not an active order. They kind of have it just grayed out. They have it dimmed out for us, but you can see our take profit would be up here. Our stop loss would be down here. If you want to get in with a market order, you can still have on the take profit and stop loss bracket. You just simply have to hit buy market, or if you want it to be a sell, hit sell. However, if you're a trader that likes to trade on the DOM, we click right here and you can see all the orders. You can just simply click on price and it'll execute the trade for you. So for instance, if I wanted to buy, I can click down here, put a buy limit order. If I wanted to sell, click up here and put a sell limit order in. You can also hit buy market, sell market, and it has a flatten all. It has a flatten button and a reverse button. And if you want to take your trading to the next level and learn how to use TradingView's volume footprint charts, make sure to watch this next video right here.